If you forgot your Discord password, don't worry. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to reset it in just a few minutes. First, open the Discord app or go to discord.com and click on Login. On the login screen, click Forgot Your Password. Now enter the email address connected to your Discord account. Make sure it's the correct one. Click Submit. Discord will send you a password reset email. Open your inbox and look for the message from Discord. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and click Reset Password. You'll be redirected to a page where you can create a new password. Enter a strong password, ideally with uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Confirm the new password and submit. That's it. Your password has now been reset. You can go back to the login page and sign in using your new password. If you no longer have access to the email linked to your account, you'll need to contact Discord support for recovery options. And that's how you reset your Discord password in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech guides.